Are you looking for part-time, work-from-home, entry-level gigs? I got you covered. The first company you can explore is Conduent. They're hiring a part-time remote data entry associate in San Antonio, Texas. While they do prefer a candidate with customer service experience, it is not required for this role. However, you will need to have excellent communication skills, keyboarding and software proficiency, and excellent problem-solving and multitasking skills. The part-time hours for this position are 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. The pay rate for this position is $10 per hour, plus they'll provide your equipment and health benefits are eligible on day one. The second company you can explore is Inbox Done. They hire virtual assistants to help with email management, calendar scheduling, executive assistants, customer service, social media, data entry, virtual research, and more. Inbox Done doesn't care where you went to school. They're interested in your unique skills and your life experiences that intersect with this unique position. These are part-time, independent contracting roles with a pay rate of $16 to $17 per hour. The third company you can explore is Working Solutions, and they're hiring full and part-time customer support representatives. For these positions, you'll need a sincere desire to assist the customer. You'll need to be tech-savvy and an avid computer user. You must have the ability to multitask, and you must have excellent communication skills. This seasonal contract starts in January and runs through April, and it allows flexible scheduling, and you can work days, nights, and weekends. In this position, you can earn up to $19 per hour. Working Solutions hires in all states except California, New York, Pennsylvania, and Washington. The fourth company you can explore is Smith.ai, and they hire virtual receptionists. For these positions, they require excellent communication skills, both verbally and written, solid ethical decision makers, caring and respectful, and the ability to multitask. Smith.ai hires both full and part-time workers. They operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and shifts are broken into 2 to 5 hour blocks. The starting pay rate for this position is $15 per hour, and healthcare benefits are available for agents working more than 30 hours a week. The fifth and final company that you can explore is NextRep. They hire independent contractors for inbound sales, outbound sales, and customer service. These channels can include phone, chat, email, text, and social media. With NextRep, you can set your own schedule. The success traits for the customer care roles are customer focus, patience, professionalism, empathy, problem solving, and multitasking. For the sales roles, the success traits are customer focused, goal orientation, self-motivation, energy, persuasiveness, and professionalism. For more work-from-home jobs that don't require any experience, head on over to theworkathomewoman.com.